Hey! Hello babies! I'm Irely and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to have another math trick. As you can remember, our math trick last time was about fingers multiplication table. If you did not see the video, I'll put the link on the description box below so that you can see. Is that okay? Okay. So our math trick for today is about getting the trigonometric values. Did you find it hard to get the trigonometric values? Well, there is an easy and fast way to get the trigonometric values. Only by using your hand. Yes, you heard it right. You will be only using your hand. So, cheating no more. Ako'y cheater na ata ni ay. Okay, it's okay. Okay, rejud kayo na siya. Yung nasad ko sa una. So, let's move on. But before we will start, please subscribe and hit the notification bell below so that you will be updated to my next videos. Without further ado, let's get started. Kuha mo hang left hand. Kuha mo left hand. Tara. Left hand ni mo ha. So, let's suppose nga kani siya 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. I'll repeat. 0. Your little finger is 0. Your ring finger is 30. Your middle finger is 45. Your index finger is 60 and your thumb is 90. Okay, so we're good with that. Now let's find the values of sine first. Okay, I will write it. So sine is equals to the square root of your fingers below divided by 2. Again, to get the sine, it must be the square root of fingers below divided by 2. Here. Okay, are we good with that? So now, let's get the value of sine 0. Remember the formula? Fingers below, square root of fingers below divided by 2. So here, this is your 0, right? So there is no finger or fingers below 0. So it must be 0. So sine 0 is equals to square root of 0 divided by 2. Sine 0 is 0. Ta-da! Got it? Kasunod ra? Next, let's find the values of sine 30. Here, sine 30, 0, 30. So, as you can see, there is only one finger below 30. So, that is square root of 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 1/2. Sine 30 is equals to square root of 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 1/2. Let's get the value of sine 45. As you can see, there are 2 fingers below 45, so sine 45 is equals to the square root of 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 1 over square root of 2. Now, let's find the value of sine 60. So here, 0, 30, 45, 60. So here, there are, sine 60 is square root of 3 divided by 2. It's your turn. Please find the value of sine 90. Find the value of sine 90. Okay, you can comment the answer of what is sine 90. Now, let's find the values of cos. Same as this is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. But the formula will be cos is equals to the square root of fingers above divided by 2. Okay, here is the formula. Fingers above divided by 2. Now, it's time to find the values of cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60, and cos 90. Let's find first the value of cos 0. So cos 0 is equals to the square root of fingers above divided by 2. So here, 0. Let's flip. There are 4 fingers above 0. So it must be square root of 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 1. Equals to 1. Now, let's find the value of cos 45. So here, this is 0, 30, 45. Okay, as you can see, there are 2 fingers above 45. So that is square root of 2 divided by 2, which is equals to 1 over square root of 2. Get it? Cos 45 equals to 1 over square root of 2. Now, let's find the values of cos 60. Here, 0, 30, 45, 60. There is only 1 finger above 60, so it must be square root of 1 divided by 2, which is equals to 1/2. Okay. Here. Now, it's your turn again. Can you find the value of cos 90? So, we're done getting the values of sine and cos. Now, it's time to get the values of tan. To get the values of tan, you need to flip it. Okay. A while ago, we used this. Now, flip your hand like that. Okay? Flip, flip, flip. This time, this is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Got it? Let's repeat. 0, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay? Okay. To find the values of tan, it must be square root of fingers above divided by fingers below. Okay, here. Tan is equals to the square root of fingers above divided by the square root of fingers below. Okay? Let's find the value of tan 0. Okay, here. Tan 0. There are 4 fingers above 0, but there is no finger below 0. So it must be square root of 4 divided by square root of 0. Or it's 0. Tan 0 is 0. Okay? Let's get the value of tan 30. As you can see, there are 3 fingers above 30 and 1 finger below 30. So tan 30 is equals to 1 over square root of 3. Now, let's get the value of tan 45. There are 2 fingers above and below 45. Therefore, tan 45 is equals to 1. Let's find the value of tan 60. There is only one finger above 60 and 3 fingers below 60. So tan 60 is equals to the square root of 1 divided by square root of 3. Let's simplify. It must be square root of 3.